Hi, welcome to Everhot. I'm Graham, and in this film we're going to show you how to adjust the eco settings on your Everhot cooker. Now, factory set, when this light is flashing, your cooker is going to switch from full power mode into its eco mode overnight between 9 PM and 5 AM in the morning. It'll wake up and 40 minutes later the ovens will be hot, 20 minutes for the hot plate. But you can adjust those times for each day of the week to suit you. So if you find that you're out for the evening on a Friday or a Saturday night and you'd like the cooker to be on just that little bit later in the evening, you can set the times to suit you. To do that, you just simply push and hold the eco button for 3 seconds to enter the sub-menu. This then gives us the option to set the calendar, the eco mode, or use the skip function. We'd like to set the eco times, so you push the power button next to the eco display. We now show that we're adjusting the eco setting. We'll see the day is Sunday, and this tells you eco is turning off at 5 AM in the morning. Now, if you'd like that to be a bit later, maybe you have a late Sunday morning, a lazy Sunday morning, you can just elongate that time using the up or down arrow, or you can even lessen it if you're up early. Factory set, that'll be 5 in the morning. So eco is now going to turn off at 5 in the morning on a Sunday. You then cycle through using the up or down buttons. Eco will turn on at 9 o'clock on Sunday night. Again, if you find that you'd like it a bit later or a bit earlier, you can adjust that using the up or down arrows to increase it. So we could say, let's set it for 11 o'clock on Sunday night because we're up a bit later. So we're happy with that. So we cycle on, and you cycle through each day of the week, setting the time. Now, you'll notice as I move through that you've got a delay timer. We cover that in another video. That's where you can separate out the heating of the hot plate and the ovens. And you've also got a second setting, so if you'd like 2 intervals where the eco timer is sort of coming on in the morning and the evening, you can do that. But really, we recommend one long period of your cooker being at full temperature and one long period of it being in its eco setting as the most efficient way to run the cooker. So you cycle through each day of the week, and you can adjust the times for each day of the week, again just using those up or down arrows below the numbers. And once you're happy that the time's right for each day of the week, you just push the eco button to exit back to the main menu, and then the eco button to go back to the main temperature setting menu.